Jake sees an event and refugees shows up, so that's nice. A population and 3 points. And gets a theater, picks up efficient upgrade, Hollywood, urban growth. Okay, so spaceflight slides down, which means that I'm definitely not getting it. Claudius goes for the scientific cooperation again, and I'm surprised Jake refused. I think that at this point, this could have given him a nice edge. So here's the revolution into democracy. He gets space flight. So there's. I don't see him finishing it, but sure. So he gets Gandhi and elects him. Yes, that was to be expected. No more wars, so it's a good thing I made the switch. Engineering genius and efficient upgrade. Interesting. So at this point, oh, of course, the war resolves. I get 20 points. The great equalizer. So I think I'm pretty much ahead right now. So it's now I'm pretty sure that right now the game is for me to lose. So let's focus on not losing it. And usually at this point I would skip politics and just cycle some cards around to see what's going on. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to play an impact. And I think it's going to be an impact of progress. Um, yeah, I think impact of progress is the way to go right now. I think that I'm going to get at least 2 blue technologies. So, and I don't see Jake getting another government. He might get, actually, he might get one of them. Uh, there's, there's, yeah, there's going to be 3 more turns. This one, then next one, the deck is gonna finish, and then the last one. So Jake is gonna get at least 10 more science, maybe a bit more. So it's possible that that he will get it. Both of them have wonders, so I don't have to worry about fast food chain. So let's see the impact of progress and see what we get. Cold War, perfect. So I got some science, I got my population, and I'm definitely getting this set up. So 10 science per turn, very nice. And internet currently giving me 14 points. I think I'm going to build one more multimedia, so internet is going to be 20 points. Fast food chains currently give 17 points. I don't think I have one more person in me, more than one more person. Maybe 2, no, probably just one. Reserves and another one. So I think internet is the way to go. And then the question is, what do we do with the remaining 2 actions? Um, so revolutionary idea is one option. More science is always good, and if I take it, then AlienJake doesn't. And civil service, that's the other option. What is Jake going to do with all of his science? Um, yeah, he might just grab civil service, and I want that for my my impact of progress. There is a small chance I get one of these 2 as well. That would be amazing. So right now, yeah, that seems like the way to go. 1 action left. Shall we take fundamentalism just so that AlienJake doesn't have it? Doesn't really seem like it the way to go. Also, I don't think he wants to lose science. So, does computers help us in any way? Computers work really nicely with internet. So getting computers next turn and upgrading it is gonna give us, yeah, it's just gonna give it 3 more science. So 3 more points in internet, while getting a multimedia. Um, so actually, each computer is 5. So I can get 2 computers for 6. It's gonna be 10 stones and 2 actions. Or I can just get the multimedia for 6 as well. It's 1 more stone, 1 less action. Um, sorry, not 1 less action, because I need to increase population. But the multimedia itself gives points, and I don't think I need just the science. So let's aim for multimedia. Let's take these reserves. And that seems like a decent turn to advance. A decent way to advance the turn. Cool. So yeah, let's end the turn. Get some more cards. So the impact of agriculture is really not going to help us here. Here's the military theory. Is AlienJake gonna take it? Maybe. If not, then I'm definitely pouncing on it. Are there any revolutionary ideas left? No, that's the last one. Yeah, so I think that the remainder of the game is going to be getting another multimedia and finishing the internet. So it's going to be, it's not going to be 11, it's going to be 8. So 8 plus 14, that's 22. I wonder if they're going to finish the deck. No, they can't. So I have at least 21. Plus, this might go into food. Yeah, this is going to go into food. 21 plus 4, 25. And there's this reserves and one more urban growth. So we have some flexibility with what we're going to do. This impact of agriculture, yeah, definitely not going into the deck right now unless we get a surprise mechanized, which might happen actually. It might be a good use for our leftover stones. We'll see.